Hi guys, it's Bube here on to electrician levels. Yeah, so today I've been having series of issues with my sockets, like a lot of sockets in my house, and I want to change this one. This for my electric stove. This is my kitchen. I had already removed the old one that's burnt somewhere here. It's 2-in-1, so one part is working, the other part is not working. Now I bought a separate socket, like single into two places, but because this board is for double, I can't remove it, and I don't even have wire that I would use to connect from this to this because it's two stove. This is the head of the electric stove, and the light has been wasting. Like, I want to try and find a way to fix this, only this one for now, pending when I get wire to fix the two of them. So let's try this. You guys don't know I can do many things by myself, so let's try this and see how it's going to turn out. Keep on watching. Subscribe, okay?
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
So guys, that is it for the room socket, and this is the old one that I removed. Imagine how inferior it is. This broke when I was trying to plug something. Well, this is Nigeria for you. Finally I did it. I got the wire and I connected the two single sockets. Yeah, that is it, working perfectly fine now. So with this, you know I can be a good electrician. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, like, comment and share to your family and friends, and see you in my next one. Bye.